Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. In today's video, we are going to talk about what are flax seeds, its nutritional benefits, and how to use flax seeds. Flax is a food and fiber crop. Flax seeds are a good source of dietary fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, including alpha-linolenic acid. Some studies have shown that flaxseed may benefit digestive issues, heart health, certain skin conditions, symptoms of menopause, and diabetes. In this video, we will discuss the health benefits of flaxseed and how to use them. Number 1. Full of fiber. Soluble fiber can help you feel fuller for longer, and flaxseed is full of it. Flaxseed is an excellent source of soluble fiber which forms a gel when it's combined with water and slows down digestion. Fiber can also help lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reduces your risk of heart disease. Packed with potassium. Potassium is a mineral that is important for cell and muscle function and helps maintain normal blood pressure. Flaxseed has more potassium than bananas. Helps to relieve constipation. Due to its high fiber content, flaxseeds are useful for the treatment of constipation. Flaxseed is made up of 25% soluble fiber and 75% insoluble fiber. While soluble fiber enhances the gut microbiome, insoluble fiber increases the bulk of stool, and these two factors may help prevent constipation. Loaded with lignans. Lignans are a type of phytoestrogen, a group of compounds that are linked to a lower risk of developing conditions like osteoporosis, heart disease, and breast cancer. Lignans also have antioxidant properties. A diet rich in lignans may protect from diseases like heart disease and cancer, and flaxseed contains 75 to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods. Menopausal symptoms. As flaxseed contains phytoestrogen, researchers have looked at flaxseed as a potential treatment for menopausal symptoms, especially hot flashes. Eye health. Flaxseed contains antioxidants that help protect the eye and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Immune system support. Flaxseed contains antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids which support immune system function. Remember to consume flaxseed in moderation, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, and drink plenty of water to reap its benefits. How to use flaxseed? Flax has a mild nutty flavor that you often can't even taste when it is mixed into other foods, and you can't add it to just about anything. Sprinkle ground flax on yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal. Add a spoonful to your salad for a little bit of crunch. Stir flaxseed into sauces or soups. Scoop some flax into smoothies or protein shakes.